Students, I hope you are good at your home. Today we will continue with English literature of class 4. Now, chapter number 2, Innocent. It was a cold, dark morning on the 2nd of March 1806. A murder trial against a man named Jack McMahon was going on in a court. Throughout the trial, Jack claimed that he was innocent. After hearing the arguments, the grim-faced judge said, "Jack McMahon, it is proved beyond doubt that you murdered the young policeman. Hence, you are sentenced to death." On hearing the verdict, Jack stared at the jury silently. Then he cried out in a loud voice, "I am innocent. To prove this, I am announced that no grass will grow on my grave for 10 years." Nobody took notice of Jack's declaration. He was taken back to jail. When Jack woke up next morning, he heard the sound of hammering. He looked out of his small window and saw some man getting the gallows ready for his hanging. He lay down on his narrow bed and shut his eyes in the disappointment. A knock at the door made him jump on seeing the jailer. He realized that his end had come. ये 2 मार्च 1806 की बात है। एक मर्डर हुआ और जैक मैकमैन नाम के एक आदमी को गिरफ्तार कर ले गया। उस पर इल्ज़ाम लगा कि उसने एक पुलिस वाले को मारा है। फिर उसको कोर्ट में ले जाया गया तो वहाँ पे बहुत चीखा रोया। उसने बोला कि नहीं, मैं इनोसेंट हूँ, मैंने कुछ नहीं किया, मैं बेगुनाह हूँ। और उसने बोला कि अगर तुम मुझे सज़ा दोगे और मेरी कब्र पे कभी भी 10 साल तक घास नहीं आएगी, तो इससे तुम्हें पता चलेगा कि मैंने कुछ नहीं किया था। उसने ऐसे वर्ड्स बोले, तब भी उसकी बातों को नहीं ध्यान दिया गया। और फिर अगले दिन उसको फील हुआ कि उसके पास जेलर आया है, तो उसने सोचा कि अब उसका जो अंत है वो पास आ चुका है। He was taken to the gallows. He walked onto the wooden platform. The hangman put a cover over his head. At this moment, Jack yelled, "I am innocent. Just remember what I said." Within minutes, he was hanged to death. People looked uneasily at one another as they remembered Jack's words. Some of them whispered, "What if he was not guilty?" Jack's body was brought down from the gallows. It was taken to the graveyard where he was buried. 2 years passed. Some people from the town came to the graveyard to attend a burial ceremony. They noticed Jack's grave. It was absolutely dry and dusty. "Look at Jack's grave. Years have passed, yet there is not a speck of grass on it. The other grave has nice green grass covering them," said an old man. The last word of Jack rang in the ear of the people. They planted some grass on the grave. When they came back after a few days, they were disappointed to find that the grass had died and the grave had become barren. They repeated the process of growing grass on Jack's grave many a time, but it was all in vain. Years passed. Suspicion began to arise in people's minds. They wondered if whatever Jack had said was true. In that case, the real murderer would be roaming free among them. Exactly 10.5 years after the hanging, many people from the town came to the graveyard. What they saw shocked them. Jack's grave was covered with lush green grass, just like the graves of others. To ease their consciousness, the people got the tombstone changed. It was written on the new tombstone that Jack McMahon was wrongly hanged for a crime that he had not committed. He was innocent of the murder. Not only this, changes made in all officials' record about Jack. Anything might have been done, but would this bring Jack back to life? On the other hand, the policeman's murder remained a mystery. Nobody knew who was the real murderer. तो जब जेलर उसके रूम में आया जैकमैन के, तो फिर क्या हुआ, उसने सोचा कि अब तो उसका अंत आ चुका है और उसको जल्दी ही फांसी पे लटका दिया जाएगा। बट उसने फिर दोबारा वही बात कही कि याद रखना मैं इनोसेंट हूँ और मैंने कुछ नहीं किया। फिर उसको जब वो मर गया तो उसकी कब्र पे उसे दफनाया गया, उसकी कब्र बनाई गई। तो जब 2 साल बाद कुछ लोग जब उस एरिया में आए, टाउन के लोग, तो उन्होंने देखा कि जैक की कब्र पे सच में कोई घास नहीं थी 2 साल बाद भी, बल्कि और कब्र पे घास थी। तो उन लोगों ने सोचा कि क्या ये सच तो नहीं बोल रहा था कि सच में उसने कुछ नहीं किया जो उसकी कब्र पे घास नहीं है। तो उन्होंने वहाँ घास उगाई और जब वो कुछ दिनों बाद आके देखा तो फिर वो घास सूख चुकी थी और जो ज़मीन थी वो फिर से बंजर हो चुकी थी। तब उन्हें जैसे ही 10 साल पूरे हुए तो उस ज़मीन पे खुद ही घास आने लग गई। तब उन्हें रियलाइज़ हुआ कि शायद जो जैक ने कहा था वो सच था और जो असली मर्डरर है जिसने सच में खून किया था पुलिसमैन का, वो अभी भी बचा हुआ है और जैक को, इनोसेंट पर्सन को सज़ा मिली। यही स्टोरी थी। यहाँ पे हमारी स्टोरी एंड हो चुकी है। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम इस चैप्टर की एक्सरसाइज करेंगे, तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो ज़रूर देखें। थैंक यू।